Hi guys, welcome back for another video. Today's video is about a little bit of a try on haul. I got two birthday outfits options. My birthday's coming up. It is July 10th and I just need some options as to what to wear, etc. I mean, right now it's COVID-19. We're not doing anything crazy. But I am going to be by some family, keep it nice, simple, classy, straight to the point. So I just wanted to just at least have a nice little birthday girl outfit. Ain't nothing wrong with that, you know? So I'm gonna be unboxing and of course trying them on. So let's get started. All right guys, now let's open up this bag. So this is a little two-piece that I got here. So I did get these outfits from Fashion Nova, right? So let's look at the top. This seems a little bit warm, but right, it's a little crappy top, right? I'm gonna put it here on my dresser, and then got the pants to go with it. All right. And I got this next outfit. You guys look and see a little bit of shimmer. This might be the one, but let's see. All right, so look at this, guys. All right, another little, and then a little cute little crop top. And then we have the whole skirt to go with it right here. So we're gonna try that on. Put that over there. And I know a lot of people have these shoes. I never really got me a pair of these. So hoping that they were worth it. I've never had these clear glass shoes, so I am going to be wearing them. Sounds. Alright, so these little big cuties right here. So I'm gonna try these on first. Make sure that I have them on correctly. So that way I can, you know, I'm gonna try these on first. Right. I'm gonna use it to help me get my shoes on. So, all right. Okay. All right. That is one side, as you guys can see. So let me give this a nice. All right. I don't think we could back up any further, but all right, go. All right. Foot cam. We have my toes in like a that's the shoe. All right, guys. You see the shoe, you see the whole outfit, the ensemble going on here. Right. All right, so now I think I'm gonna try on this one, see how this looks, and then I'll try on the next one. So let's see. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the first outfit. All right. This is actually really, really nice. This is really, really cute. With these shoes too, they go perfectly. Really, really nice. I like it a lot. So this is option number one for birthday outfit. You know, we always gotta go in style. You gotta go in a certain way. Let me know, all right? And then this is, like I said, with the shoes there, you know, Keep it classy, keep it simple. All right, so now we're gonna try this baby. I'll be back. All right, guys, this is outfit number 2. Okay, so this is outfit number 2 for my birthday. Outfit number 2. All right, so I think this might be the winner. Honestly, this is really nice, and it goes with the shoe and everything. Like, oh my god, this is really, really nice. I think this is the winner. The other one, my husband's birthday is 2 weeks after mine, so I might wear that for his birthday, and I won't wear this for mine. This just screams like this is the birthday girl, etc. So yes, I mean, by the time you guys see this video, probably my birthday will already have passed, and I probably would have worn it. But just wanted to give you guys a little try-on haul. Decision that I made, the 2 options that I picked. I got both of these from Fashion Nova. From Fashion Nova, super cute. You know, I mean, you can't go wrong, honestly. They came out really, really nice. And then I think this is what I'm gonna wear. I think this is a winner. I hope you guys enjoy this try-on haul. I can do more of these if you like. Definitely, if you do like, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.